It's raining here. All cat is pity, but I still put here their food. So, chicken. Ikay, go inside, cause it's raining. Yala, go inside. Bye bye Abu, bye bye Tommy. They are very loyal. Abu and Tommy. Yala, go inside. Yala, it's raining. Yala, go inside. Yala, open the door. Good girl. Yala, ikay eat ha. There is chicken also here. Chicken, cat food. Okay, she's very hungry now because I wake up late. But I put cat food last night. But maybe some other cats. But baby Bangs, his son, eat all. That's why she go upstairs just to make noisy to inform that she is here, that she is there. Now it's raining. Okay, eat now ha. Enjoy ha. Good girl, good girl, good girl. See your son, Bangs. I feel pity for all cats now. The only cats outside I see, only Kiang and Abu and Tomi, the two loyal, Abu and Tomi. Yala, yala. Yun na. I will go upstairs because it's raining. Yala, akin. Good girl. Sit down, sit down. Lay your back, lay your back. Lay, yala, yala. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sige na, bye-bye na because it's raining. Yala, here. Come, chicken here. Yala, eat the chicken. Yala, come. Eat ha. No, bite. No, kagat. No, biting. Yala. No. Oh, yala. She is angry because I annoyed her. Sige na, yala na.